Okay, we're on question 5. Give full details of the sequence of two transformations which take y equals the modulus of x to y equals the modulus of 2x plus 3. Right, there's a number of different ways we could explain this, but I'm thinking we're going to treat it as being the whole thing is multiplied by 2. That 2 could be outside the modulus sign, couldn't it? And we've also got inside the bracket, we've got x moving side to side. So we're going to talk about, in either order, if we do it this way around, that we've got a translation in a negative x direction by 3 units. That's the x plus 3 dealt with, and we've got a stretch scale factor 2 in the y direction. And I'm going to say it that way. If you do it that way, it doesn't matter what order round you say these. We could talk about it as being also a stretch scale factor 1/2 in the x direction, but then we need to get the order right, because that would need to come before, yes, that would need to come before the translation in order for that to be right. Part 2, solve the inequality. Now, my preferred method for these inequalities, I know my class generally don't like this, is to do a little sketch of what is going on. Modulus of x is a graph that looks like that. The modulus of 2 lots of x plus 3, well that's the graph of 2x plus 6, isn't it? 2x plus 6 is the steep graph that goes through there at 6 and bounces there and goes back up again. So that's what it looks like for my two graphs. That one should be steeper. Look at that, same gradient. Shocking. That's 2x plus 6. And that's x. So we've got the positive branch equaling the negative branch of that one, which gives us 3x is minus 6, so x is minus 2. And we've got the negative branch of the 2x graph equaling the negative branch of the x graph. Of course, we can get rid of those negatives and say that x is negative 6 out of that. And we want to know when this one is above this one, and it's between those two values there, so it's x, that's minus 6 and that's minus 2, isn't it? It's x bigger than minus 6 and less than minus 2. If you want to square both sides and solve the inequality that you get from that, then that's fine. Do it like that. See if I care. That's maths.